If you want to convert any image to drawing file, or if you want to convert any image to AutoCAD drawing file, in this video I will show you. I'm showing an image, a logo, Lion King. This image I will be convert drawing file. I'm showing you the extension of the file, properties. Extension is webp. And go to browser, then type here webp to DXF converter free and click on first link, choose file, and this is the file, and select, then open, then click on, you can change your extension but I'm keep it, and I'm clicking convert. Image converting is starting. After some times your image will be convert, and yes, click on download and save your destination. I'm save this file on my desktop, and Lion King the name. Download completed. Now you open your AutoCAD application. After open AutoCAD application, just click on open file. I'm clicking open file and select the saved file Lion King. The name was Lion King. Yes, select this and open. Your file has been converted to DWG. I mean AutoCAD file converted. You can see it. That is the converted file. You can edit it anytime. You can change color, properties, then others. That's it. I hope you will benefit from this video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.